In this video, I am going to compare these four attars which are Mukhalat Malaki, Musk Malaki, Oud Malaki and Rose Malaki from Swiss Arabian, and I am going to rank them from 1 to 4, which is the best, which ones you should buy and which one you should avoid. So let's get started. So it would be a quick video. I have already reviewed all of them on my channel. So the top one is going to be Mukhalat Malaki, this one. Mukhalat Malaki, it has saffron, it has oud, it has rose. It is so elegant, sweet, light, syrupy, and it is the one I got the most compliments with. Okay, so you can wear it mostly in winters and it is going to give you a lot of compliments, even from men. So this is my top favorite, Mukhalat Malaki. You can see this is my second bottle and I have almost finished this one. Okay, so the next one is going to be Musk Malaki or Musk Malaki. It is almost ended. You can see just few drops in it. I have gifted it to a lot of my friends. They really love it. If you put it on clothes, it is going to stay like 7 days on your clothes. So this is going to be on my second number, Musk Malaki. Okay, so these two, this is for summers, so these two are must buy, Musk Malaki and Mukhalat Malaki, these two. Okay, so these two you can buy and I think this should be in your collection. Next one is going to be, third one is going to be Oud Malaki. It is only available in UAE or Arab markets. I think it is not available in anywhere else. So this one, why it is on number 3, I am not really happy because there is no oud in it. Okay, so name is Oud Malaki, but for me I am sensing mostly this in here, Hajori or green resin or Luban. There are many names for it. You can see what I am talking about. So this is extracted from Omani trees. It is called Royal Hajori green resin, Boswellia sacra, Oman. Okay, so if you burn Omani incense or Omani incense kind of bahurs, it is very similar to that sweet bahur or sweet Omani scent. Yes, it is very similar to that fruity Omani bahur balsamic kind of scent to this for this one, Oud Malaki. So this is going to be my number 3. It depends on your taste. If you live in Oman and if you like oils like that, I think you should try this one. But I'm not going to, recommend to buy this one. The fourth and the last position is going to be for Rose Malaki. Why I am disappointed with Rose Malaki? Because it has some synthetics. I think a lot of synthetics compared to all these 3 I have shown you in the start. So this is kind of like rose attar, which you mostly find in mosques or people around you. Kind of, for me, it is kind of like fruity rose attar, which is kind of cheap. You can find it very, very cheap around you. On many stores, it has a lot of synthetics and I'm really disappointed. I think if they can get saffron and maybe some ambergris in it, saffron, ambergris and rose, this would be magnificent. If they have, they might have charged like more to this, but really disappointed with Rose Malaki. So I don't recommend buying this one. This one is not recommended from my side, and I don't want you to waste your money anyhow. So these are my top 4, or they are already 4. So this is how I would rank this one. Mukhalat Malaki is a must buy. If it doesn't perform in the start, keep it like 1 year in your closet and it is going to be great. I'm not sure how, maybe they are watering down or adding more synthetics in the new versions, but I had an old bottle. You can see this is the difference between an old bottle and a new one. So they have new cap over here and Before it has something like this dab, and now they have an applicator into it. So you can see the glass applicator. So this is the difference between the new bottle and the old one. I still love the old ones, because these are oils, they are not going to evaporate. So this is all. This is my review and comparison of these 4 Malakis from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.